Right, good morning. We are on our way to a repeat customer's home. Apparently, they have some sort of a drainage leak at the back bathroom. Water showing up at the base of the floor, at the wall. So we are going to have to cut it open. And I got to flip around to get to this light. So, how's everyone's day been? Is your morning just starting? Or is it the end of the day for you? This is the first call. I think we are only showing two videos, or two calls today in this video. I can't do this every day. It's just too much, and the videos would be way too long if I did like full days. So we are doing partial days. Anyway, okay. Don't go, don't go, don't go. Here we go. Alright, so I'll see you at the job, dude. Check it out. Ain't this beautiful, man? That's where I live, dude. I'm blessed, bro. Alright, man. I will see you at the job, dude. Yo, all right, we're done with that call, bro. Yeah, I got a nasty split. I was actually gonna get some footage. I was gonna put some Flex Seal in those cracks, dude, to buy them some time, but I think they're gonna go through insurance, so I didn't want it to look sketchy to an adjuster. But yeah, man, they got a problem. So that vanity is gonna have to come out. It looks like it goes to the floor. In that case, we'd be excavating to get down, which would be a lot. So anyway, that's where we're at. and I'm on my way to dump some trash, and then we got our next one, so stay tuned for the next one, bro. Alright, man. Wasn't that something, huh? Yeah, I tried to use the air gun, Airsnake, and that blew out. And then, yeah, man, there was a lot of air, dude. It was a good catch. But we're done. We're done for the day. And I'm on my way home. to shower and wash my face so I don't contract some sort of disease from the sewer. And yeah, man. Hope you have a good day, brah. See you on the next one.